All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and today we're talking about the new mid-torque 3/8 from Milwaukee Tools. Now last year they came out with mid-torque in half-inch drive. Great tool, 600 foot-pounds of nut-busting torque and 450 foot-pounds of operating torque. And then they put a 3/8 head on it. Now, depending on what you're going to use it for, one or the other may be better for you. But you've got options now. Great options. Now, depending on how you use it, the half-inch may work better for you or the 3/8. The half-inch works great for taking lug nuts off, suspension work, all that kind of stuff. Same with the 3/8. The only difference is obviously a different drive. I've only used it for a little bit. You know, this is a first look at it, not a long-term assessment of it, but it's done great. Taking CV axle nuts out with it, wheels off, pretty much anything. I've taken rusty caliper bolts off. I'm talking Eric O. rusty, not, Georgia rust. I'm talking Minnesota rust. And took it out without any problems. I mean, I had to hammer on a 17 millimeter socket on it to get it to go on to give you an idea how badly rusted they were. Took them right out. Plenty of power. Now, form factor, it's a good bit bigger than the 3/8 standard fuel. It's wider by a good bit, and it's taller. So it's a little more heft to it, a little more weight, a lot more power. So if you're choosing between these, it's kind of up to you what you want to do with it. This generally takes out caliper bolts, but every now and then it does struggle. This ain't going to struggle. I mean, if this struggles, you're going to have to put a full-size half-inch on it or a breaker bar. Great tool so far. You know how I feel about Milwaukee. Yes, they sponsor my channel, but guess what, guys? I'd still buy them. Even if they didn't sponsor me, I'd be out spending my money on these. Without a doubt, I would be buying these. Standard M18 battery, 3 power levels. Obviously the light in front. Standard Milwaukee controls. This is definitely a great tool for doing suspension work. If you're working on suspension and you've got a lot of 3/8 tools, definitely a no-brainer. Great tool so far. Obviously, I've only used it for a little bit, but definitely well worth the money. Part number on it is 2852 for the bare tool, and then -22 if you want charger and 2 batteries. I've done my best to use this exclusively for everything, and it has done everything I've wanted it to. The only thing I didn't use it for was putting the brake caliper, actual caliper bolts back in, not the carrier, but the caliper bolts in, because I didn't want to break them. So hope you liked this first look at the Milwaukee mid-torque 3/8. If you did, give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like it, subscribe. Make sure to hit that bell notification so you get notified when I put out a new video. If you didn't like the video, give me a thumbs down. Comments are always appreciated, and as always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.